Good morning, my friends. I've got here a lamination machine of my wife. It is in basically a brand new condition. It is about 2 years old, but it look still brand new, and it don't want to make warm, although the motor, the rollers inside run, but the elements will not heat up. So let's dig in and see if we can find a problem. Okay guys, let's go in. Let me take that wire out there from the corner, like that. Okay, so my first thought here is maybe one of these thermal switches is gone. So I think we must test that first. Let me just make a little bit space for us there. Something like that. Okay, now I'm going to test. So I think normally this switch will be normally closed, both of them, and when they get heat, it will open. So let's put my voltmeter there and put it on resistance and see if we've got a flow through. Okay guys, I've got one of the points on the one side, and let's see on the other side. You can see the meter, it goes through. So let's check this one. You will not be able to see there, but I can. And this one will not work. So this one is the faulty one. So I think what I'm going to do is, oh, there it is now. So that is okay. And it might be that it is normally, let me just think. No, let me just think a bit. Okay guys, I think it might be, it's because it is fixed to the body. Let me take it off one by one and test it alone. Okay guys, both of them test fine, as if it is normally closed, and it's both of them is 10 amp. So what I'm going to do is put in place of this two 10 amp fuses and just test it to see if it will heat up, because I'm not sure which side they normally work, or normally closed or open, or what is the case. But so I'm going to test it with 2 amps if I have, and then we take it from there. Okay guys, I've got there and there, I've got some fuses. Let me plug it in and see what we got. Okay guys, I'm sort of nervous now, but let's put it on. There is the switch. And that red light should come on, and if it hot up, it will, after 2 minutes about, the green light will come on. And that's what not happen. So if we will hear a big bang, or it might not work or work. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the rollers is running. You can maybe hear it. but just give me a few seconds just to feel if there's heat. I'll bring you back. Okay guys, there's no heat whatsoever. So I've got a new idea now. Just as for interesting sake, we're going to test this too and see if it will open and close with heat, and we will use my new torch for that. Okay guys, now for this test I'm going to heat up with my new torch. I'm going to heat up the sensor, and the needle should drop when it reaches the required temperature. I'm putting the flame now. There. Okay, you can see it does connect. So it proved that one is correct. Let's try the other one. Ooh, somewhat hot. Okay, the needle is up. My table is burning. And it does connect. Let's blow it a little bit. After a while it should go on again. It might take a while. Okay, but I think I proved that this too is okay. We can check this one. It is probably already cooled off. Come on. Yes, and it made contact, you can see. Okay guys, now let's revert back to the machine. Okay guys, I've got this whole assembly out. You can see it's now only the cover there. And this is the motor, which is a very nice motor, actually geared and everything. And I discovered the heaters that will laminate the plastic sit inside here. There's the two rollers. You can see this black is the two rollers, and the heaters is inside here and the other one inside here. Now I stripped this whole thing totally. There's the motor that I'm going to salvage, and then I totally just cut off wires and dig totally in to see if I can find the problem. You can see this nice aluminium pieces. This is where all the elements go in. This is one element, and there is the other element, and it go between two layers of this material. There's one, and there's the upper one. So there's two elements, and I indeed find the problem. Let me just hold this before it drop off. Okay, and I found the element that is that burnt off. I'm going to let me just go out and put my, well, let me try and focus rather. Stabilized you better. Okay, this is better. There you can see exactly. Let me see if I can get a pinpointer here for you. Can you see there? This is where it is off. So, all good. Exactly there. Okay, my friends. So I've salvaged a few parts, and luckily we've bought already a new one, and this was an effort to see if I can still save it. Okay, guys, and then what did I score at the end? I scored 2 rollers. Nice rubber to do something with. And then I scored a nice motor with a great reduction, gear reduction that I can use. That one fit there on the shaft, and 2 others. And I scored these 2 thermal switches, and I've scored on-off switch. Okay, so now I'm out, and I hope you like the video of fault finding, and see you on the next one. Bye.